In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to set up and manage a project in Monday.com. To get started, open Monday.com and go to your workspace. This is the main area where your team's boards, projects, and workflows live. If you already have multiple workspaces, make sure you're entering the one where you want this project to be created so everything stays organized from the beginning. Once you're in the right workspace, create a project board. This board will act as the central place where you plan, track, and manage the entire project. Think of it as your project hub. Give it a clear, practical name that makes it easy to identify later, especially if you'll be managing several boards at once. After the board is created, add your project phases as groups. Groups are a great way to break the project into major sections, such as planning, execution, review, or delivery. Organizing your board this way makes it much easier to understand the overall flow of work at a glance. It also helps your team focus on what needs to happen in each stage of the project. Next, add tasks as items under each phase. Each item represents a specific piece of work that needs to be completed. Try to make task names clear and actionable so there's no confusion about what each one means. Well-labeled tasks make your board much more useful, especially when multiple people are involved. Once your tasks are in place, add the important details for each one. Assign owners so everyone knows who is responsible for the work. Add due dates to keep the schedule visible and realistic. Use status labels to show whether a task is not started, in progress, blocked, or complete. Then add priorities so your team can quickly see what needs attention first. These details turn a simple list into a working project management system. To monitor dates and overall timing, use Timeline, Gantt, or Calendar View. Each of these views gives you a different way to understand the schedule. Timeline View is useful for seeing how tasks span across time. Gantt View helps you visualize the project structure and timing more strategically. Calendar View is ideal if you want a date-focused layout for deadlines and key activities. Choose the view that best matches how you like to track progress. Finally, update statuses regularly to track project progress. This is one of the most important habits for keeping your board accurate and useful. When statuses are kept current, your whole team can quickly understand what's moving, what's delayed, and what's already finished. Consistent updates help your board stay reliable and make project coordination much smoother.